Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Friendly English Podcast.
Hi, I'm Ethan.
And I'm Sophia. Today, we're talking about time and your daily routine.
Oh, great. I always forget how to say my daily schedule in English.
Do you know how to say, I wake up at 7 or I go to work at 9?
Or how to ask your friend, what time do you eat lunch?
Stay with us. In just a few minutes, you'll be able to talk about your whole day easily and clearly. Let's start with time expressions. Repeat after me: in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night.
In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night.
Great! Notice, we say at night, not in the night. Now, let's learn how to say the time. We say, it's 7 o'clock. It's 7:30. It's 7:45.
Wait, 7:30 means 7:30, right?
Yes. And 7:45 means 7:45.
Okay, I think I got it.
Now, let's put this together with your daily routine. Listen and repeat. I wake up at 7. I have breakfast at 7:30. I go to work at 9. I have lunch at 1. I finish work at 5. I go to bed at 10.
My routine is a bit different. I wake up at 8, have coffee, and then scroll my phone.
Many people do that. Let's hear 2 short examples. Example 1. Hi. I'm Tom. I wake up at 6. I go running in the morning. I have breakfast at 7. I go to work at 9 and come home at 6. I eat dinner at 7 and go to bed at 10. Example 2. Hello. I'm Sarah. I wake up at 8. I study English in the morning. I have lunch at noon. I watch TV in the evening and go to bed at 11.
Wow. Tom wakes up very early.
Yes, and Sarah studies English in the morning, like our listeners. Pause and answer, what time do you wake up?
And what time do you go to bed?
Let's do a short role play. I'll be Sophia, and Ethan will ask questions.
What time do you wake up, Sophia?
I wake up at 7. What about you?
I wake up at 8. What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 9. And you?
I start studying at 10.
Great! Now you, listener, repeat after us or answer for yourself. What time do you wake up? What time do you eat dinner? What time do you go to bed? Let's review today's words.
Okay. Let's repeat them. Wake up. Have breakfast. Go to work. Lunch. Dinner. Evening. Bed. Time.
Wonderful. Now you can describe your day.
Tell us your routine in the comments.
Yes. Write 3 sentences. What time you wake up, eat, and go to bed.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and listen again to practice.
See you next time on the Friendly English Podcast. Bye.